Welcome to an episode of trying out some YouTube inspired food recipes at home. Watch it till the end to see all the struggles and the reviews of the recipes.
I'm just a beginner, guys, don't judge me.
खाला ना मैं खाती हूँ जिंजर है
Yeah,
चिकन
garlic.
समझ लो खा लिए तो
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sumaira Anjum and today we are gonna try some viral food recipes for 24 hours. I hope this will turn out good. Let's see how many dishes are gonna hit and how many are gonna flop. As you've known the concept of this video, without any further delay, let's get started. It's the time for breakfast, so let's make a bread omelette sandwich. For this, you just need to add some chopped onions and green chilies into an egg, then add some namak mirchi and fry it in a pan with bread slices as shown in the video. It was an easy recipe, but the way I made it didn't even seem to be an easy one. So as it was breakfast only for me, I took only one egg, but I think this recipe needed 2 eggs to widely spread on the pan and be sufficient for 2 bread slices. That was a mistake here.
अल्लाह वो दिखाना नक्को से मेरा अच्छा नहीं है
वो दिल्ली स्टार्ट है माँ जब से
सपना देख
कैसा है
Presentation wise, I couldn't present it so well, but the taste was so good. I mean, the crunch of onions and the taste of bread omelette was really normal and it was good actually. I will rate this recipe 8 on 10. Next time I'll try it with 2 eggs so that I can avoid that chaos.
तूने सिर्फ 2 ब्रेड खाए हैं आम खा लो बेटा आम खा लो मैंने कहा
For lunch, I saw this recipe of chicken pickle and I couldn't stop myself from making it. So I started this by roasting some cumin seeds, mustard seeds and fenugreek till the smell and that aroma of the masalas come out. You also need to add some coriander seeds, but they were already roasted and kept at home, so I didn't add them. And also some masala like ilaichi, long ilaichi, kadi patta and all those. And now you need to roast them for 2-3 minutes. Now we need to grind this mixture like a fine powder. Then I kept the remaining ingredients of the recipe like green chilies, garlic and curry leaves ready, and also added some dhania powder into the mixture which we have grinded. So I was scared at the beginning as the oil was so hot, but later I got habituated and I started frying the chicken in the oil. According to the recipe, this should be fried for about 7 to 8 minutes. So I kept it like that and I started making the rice. After they got little bit of color, I removed them in a plate, and in the same oil I added some garlic pieces. Also added the green chilies and curry leaves.
नहीं बेटा चिल चिल नहीं होने वाला
Then I added the already fried chicken ke pieces. Actually, in this stage you also need to add ginger garlic paste and haldi, which I forgot to add, so I added it later. I added them later.
Now we'll add the pisa hua masala. And namak swad अनुसार. And that's good enough. Now we will add mirchi powder.
After this, it's almost done. I've tasted one of the pieces and also added thoda sa namak, which was necessary. So after that, I turned off the flame, and then after 2 minutes I added the
एक नींबू का पानी.
So guys, I'm Saara Anjum, Sumaira Anjum sister. I'm tasting. करे पक खाना आप ये भाई.
खाना करे पक कैसा नहीं खाते.
नहीं खाते.
करे पक खाना. Good for eyes. Moment of truth.
खा ना. मैं खाती हूँ. जिंजर है
या
चिकन समझ लो खा लिए तो.
चिकन वैसे खाना समझ लगो. कुछ ना डाले से इधर भी खा.
गाइस मैं खाली चिकन चुल्ले खाती हूँ. करें पाक 11 करें पाक 12 करें पाक सारा खाते हैं. मजा को देखो 13 करें पाक 14 करें पाक 15.
It was my first time cooking it, so it took a bit long time to make it, but the recipe was good. I would rate it a 7 on 10. Next one was a sweet recipe. I included this in the form of evening snacks. So it was an easy recipe only. It was just like doodh ke semia, but a little bit of change. We are adding bread in this. So I started this by heating the ghee in a pan, and then I cooked these slices of bread in the ghee. It was just meant to keep for 5 to 6 seconds, or else they would burn. So I was immediately removing them.
1 2 3 4 5. Okay, happy.
Saara, you don't make me tense. Okay.
1 2 3 4. Happy ho.
So after frying these bread cake slices, I took a pan with half liter milk and added sufficient amount of sugar in it. Also added some elaichi powder, and I let the sugar get dissolved in the milk. Then we just need to dip these fried bread cake slices into the milk and transfer it into a bowl. I mean, let the milk soak. Let the bread soak the milk for a few seconds, and then transfer it into a bowl so that sugar, that sweetness of the milk enters into the bread. I did the same with all the bread cake slices or the thukdas. And finally, we need to boil the leftover milk until it becomes half its quantity. Then we'll add this into the thukdas which we made, and then Shahi Thukda is ready. We just need to freeze it in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours to have that thanda Shahi Thukda. It was amazing recipe, I'm telling you. It was so sweet and so delicious. I mean, just try it at home.
Where is the thukda? Shahi thukda. Where is the thukda? Shahi thukda. Thukda.
मस्त.
मस्त.
The last episode of the day, which is the dinner, is gonna be this chapati egg sandwich, chapati omelette. I don't know what it is called. So for this, I first started making rotis.
पिंक स्पॉन्ज क्या हो गया? असल चीज़ पूरे गम जाते हैं क्या?
कौन की चोर है चूल्हे के?
स्पॉन्ज नहीं है, वो फ्लास्क दिखता नहीं है. कहाँ दाल डाली की क्या है कि?
माइक चकाते वो चोर है. कौन की चोर है का तो मेरे को पकड़ा तो. I'm just a beginner, guys. Don't judge me. रोटी माँ.
अभी बेल.
अभी. So firstly, I made sufficient amount of rotis for all of us. I was feeling so proud that I am able to make rotis. I'll tell you a small hack. चीज़ को ग्रेट करने से पहले grease the grater with some oil. If you do this, the cheese which you grate will not stick to the grater and it will, grate smoothly. So I wanted to make it neat and clean, so I was getting ready with all the ingredients and I was cleaning the floor instantly, and then my siblings were as normally disturbing me in this way. सारा दोनों को 2 स्माइली फेस डाली है.
क्या वो चीज़ है?
चीज डाली है डेकोरेशन के ऊपर. आपको तुम्हें कहीं को डालते हैं
क्या अंडा?
देखो गाइस, इन लोग दोनों कैसे करे हैं कि जुनेद नको प्लीज
खा तुम.
उसमें डालो नको. गुड बॉय ना. No, I'm a very bad boy, says to me. This is a simple one. You just need to add some cheese and chicken in an omelette and cover it with a roti. But these people didn't let me make it easy.
चीज़ डाले तो अच्छा.
चीज डालती मैं अब जुनेद.
ना मैं
इसके ऊपर ही डालती मैं.
मैं डाल तुम ज़रा.
आपको डालो जुनेद.
वो तुम खाने का नमक कैसे जाती? जुनेद.
जो
This is नमक guys.
जुनेद.
जो है
जुनेद.
इसमें डाल
दिस इज मटन गाइस.
सारा
कितने कंजूस देखो. कितने कंजूस देखो. माँ बेटे को मिला ले.
कंजूस कहीं को होते मिला है.
नहीं, कितने कंजूस देखो. कितना कम चिकन डाले. बेटा फुल डाल को चिकन का जरा पार्ट लिए. माँ का जरा.
सारा जरा गच्चू मुंह मुझते हैं.
ओके.
दिस इज द रोटी. रोटी कितनी बड़ी है जुनेद. आई थिंक और एक पैन लेना पड़ता. नहीं,
वो उधर पलटा देगा.
क्या वो
ऐसा कर.
नहीं एग्जैक्टली
गाइस, सारा से बातचीत करे तो आइडियाज यू आ जाते हैं.
दो भी सब
ऐसा कर को ऐसा पलटाना. हुई
should I flip it?
ऐसा बस
Moment of truth.
ट्रूथ ऑफ मोमेंट.
अभी मैं भी खाना.
फ्लिप करो आपी.
अभी मैं भी खाना.
I'm so proud of
अभी
myself.
अभी मैं भी खाना.
तुम्हारे वास्ते जुनेद बनाती मैं. सो
मेरे वास्ते.
जब से आएंगे मेरे वास्ते के.
सबके वास्ते बेटा.
सभी खान नहीं अब.
नहीं खाना.
फिर से.
So after all that fun and chaos, finally the roti, whatever you call this was done. I took it to my parents and we all shared this one roti only and we tasted it.
Guys, this is my hand.
Honestly, this was also a very good recipe. You can see the reviews of my whole family. I will rate this a 9 out of 10. Actually, out of 2 eggs, I had to fry 1 egg. 1 egg was sufficient for 1 roti. So from next one, I did it with 1 egg only. And yeah, I made 3 more rotis like this, and that's it. With this one, I complete this video right here. I hope you all liked it. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You see, making these videos takes up a ton of time, effort and energy, and subscribing in just 2 seconds would make up my whole day. So please do consider subscribing, and yeah, see you all in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.